the authority was also competent to enter into an agreement with any person for the acquisition, purchase, lease or exchange of any land which the authority is authorized to acquire, or has any interest in such land, full stop. Therefore, according to the learned counsel, the authority entered into an agreement with the petitioners or their father, as the case may be, through negotiation. Consequently, the said link road, instead of its straight position passing through the plots, was changed parallel to the plots allotted to the petitioners, full stop. This act of the authority was permissible under the relevant law. Therefore, the construction over the said plots did not offend any provisions of law, the learned counsel maintained, full stop. The learned counsel, while elaborating his case, further maintained that section 3(1) of the Act authorized the authority to retain, lease out, exchange, rent out, or otherwise transfer any land vested in it, subject to such terms and conditions as it may impose in this behalf, full stop. It was also the argument on the part of the learned counsel that authority was also competent, notwithstanding any contained in any other law for the time being in force, to issue a certificate of title in respect of any lease, sale, exchange or transfer of any piece of land within specified areas, and such certificate is admissible in evidence in view of subsection 2 of section 3(1), full stop. The plots were allotted to the petitioners by the allotment committee under law. Therefore, the petitioners could not be deprived of their use under the constitutional guarantee in the shape of protection of fundamental rights, the learned counsel argued, full stop. The learned counsel replied upon a case law titled Administrator Municipal Committee and Others versus Mumtaz Ali and Others, 2001, SCR 263, in support of his argument, and contended that the act known as the Pearl Development Authority Act, 1993, being a special law, overrided the general law known as the AJK Local Government Ordinance, 1984, full stop.